Hey everyone, so in today's video we're going to be going over the first law of thermodynamics. So the first law of thermodynamics states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred from one form to another. And then the equation we use is delta U is equal to Q plus W, where delta U is equal to the change in internal energy, Q is heat added to the system, and W is work done on the system. Now it's important we know some proportions or some proportionalities. When Q is greater than 0, heat enters the system. When Q is less than 0, heat leaves the system. When W is greater than 0, work is done on the system. And then when W is less than 0, work is done by the system. So these are just going to have to memorize. Now with that said, let's go over our first problem. A system absorbs 150 joules of heat and has 75 joules of work done on it. What is the change in internal energy? So for this problem here, we can just use our equation. Delta U is equal to Q plus W. We're solving for delta U, so that's going to be equal to 150 joules plus 75 joules. And delta U is going to be equal to 225 joules. Let's try one more problem. A system loses 80 joules of heat and does 40 joules of work. What is delta U? So delta U is going to be equal to Q plus W. Delta U is going to be equal to negative 80 joules plus negative 40 joules. Since it does 40 joules of water, that means it's losing 40 joules. That's why it's negative 40 joules. So delta U is going to be equal to minus 120 joules. So a few applications for this. You'll see the first law in chemical reactions like endothermic versus exothermic. You'll see it in engines and turbines. And you'll also see it when you're learning biology, as your body uses chemical energy to do work. It's one of the foundational principles of energy transfer. I hope this video helped. Thank you.